Kabson Presence Automatic Standalone Smoke Detector is a most cost-effective wireless setup with inbuilt alkaline battery emitting a loud alarm at 85 decibel, a hassle-free setup with no wiring requirement or integration with control panel or sounder.
Made of premium PC material ensuring quality and protection. A faster sensing upgraded technology of photoelectric sensors activated immediately on detecting harmful smoke particles in air. Approved as per conformity European and meets UL 217 standard.